But hey, I love being here at Cosmic Ray's beautiful Starlight Lounge. In fact, I wrote a little song about the menu. So without further ado, here's some musical food you can taste with your ears. Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe is a Super Galaxy franchise. The menu is from outer space, including the fries, Starlight soup and salad, and his blast of burgers too. And ice cream from the Milky Way, arriving from some rocket ships especially for you. Starlight soup and salad, and some cosmic chicken meat. Light is away, old Cosmic Ray sends it to his restaurant for a place to eat. What a treat! One day I said to Cosmic Ray, my pay is really slightly pallid. I'd like to get a Cosmic Ray's today, but instead he gave me soup and salad. Soup, 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 salad. Starlight soup and salad, that's the thing the radar like. So go up to the counter and place your order. Then pick it up and turn around and bring it right back. Got the soup, soup, salad you do. So place your order, pick it up and bring it right back. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you, you're too kind.